Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into a Writable Web Streams, a powerful feature of the Web Streams API. If you ever wondered how browsers handle writing large chunks of data efficiently, say saving files or sending data over the network, Writable Streams are a big part of that one. So don't worry, I will be telling you a beginner friendly only if you are new. So we will break it down step by step and show you a clear example using real code in the browser. Let's jump in. So the first things first, what is a writable stream? So you will be having doubt. So what is a writable streams? Here I have the definition. In simple terms, so what can I tell you is, let's try to have a software. Yeah. So in simple terms, a writable streams lets you send data to a destination chunk by chunk. Think of it as writing like writing a book one page at a time. Each page is a chunk of data. The browser takes care of buffering and writing it efficiently. This is super useful for things like writing to files in some environments, sending large amounts of data to a server, streaming video or audio uploads. These are all the things. Now let's see how to create and use one of them. So let's try to create it. So let's write it. So let's write a custom writable stream in the browser that logs each chunk to the console. So let's try to see it. So for creating this one, so what we'll try to do, so here I will be having an HTML and in this one I will writing the script code. Okay. Here for creating a writable stream, so what we'll do, constant writable stream is equal to new writable stream. And here in this one, so we will be having start of controller. Okay, so we will be having a controller. So here console.log, let's say that writable stream started. So this is something like the basic one. Okay, so this is the thing. So writable stream start. Let's try to remove this one. Yeah. So the next one, which you will be able to see the write. So whatever the thing you will be getting here, you will be getting it as an chunk comma controller. So this is the thing which you will be getting, and here also you can able to see console.log. Okay, this one is an object, right, comma. So here I can write console.log of here writing chunk. Okay, writing chunk. So if you want, you can also print the chunk also, it's not a problem. That's it. So we have another one that is nothing but close of controller, and in this one what we will try to do, so here you can write console.log of, so here you can say stream closed. So stream closed. So when the stream is closed, you will be able to see. And the last method which you will be having is an about of controller. So this is the about, and here whenever any error occurs or something like that, so we will be having a reason for this one. Sorry, here you will be having a reason or error, let's say. So here you can say, so stream aborted, so the error you will try to paste it. That's it. So this is how you will be having. Let's break it down one by one. So here you will be able to see the start method, and what it will try to do, it runs when the stream is created. You can set things up here. And we are having next one is the write of chunk. It is called every time a chunk of data is written. And close method runs when writing is finished. About of reason means, so runs if something goes wrong. This stream doesn't actually store or send data anywhere, it just logs it, but you will see how we can use it with a writer. So now this is the stream implementation. So if you want to consume it, now let's try to create a writer and push data into our stream. So in order to create that one, so here what you need to do is constant writer is equal to, so here you will write writable stream dot write, getWriter. Okay, so this writable stream is nothing but this one which we have created it. And here you will be having await writer dot write of hello, and here you can write, oh here it should be a writer, and here the next one you can write it as a writer dot write of world. Okay, you can use it like this, and at the last you need to do await writer dot close. That's it. So now here you will be able to see this one. So if I try to execute this one in our Chrome browser, so let's try to see in our Chrome browser. So if I inspect the element and if you try to see in the console, okay, we need to, everything is working fine, right? Let's try to see it here again. Await is only, okay, we need to have an await. So these are all the things we need to have it in an async self functioning, and here I will paste everything here in this one. That's it. So let's try to execute this code and we'll see it again. So writable stream start, and writable stream start. So here whenever I'm trying to write it, so getWriter, okay, got it, and writable stream start. So here you'll be able to see stream start, and we are trying to write the chunk, and here console writing chunk, it should get it right. Await writer.write of hello. So okay, so let's try to understand this one. So getWriter gives us writer object where we can use to send the data, sends a chunk into the stream. So here writer.write means sends a chunk into the stream. Writer.close signals that we are done writing. Each call to write triggers the write method inside our stream where we can handle or transform the chunk. So now here if I try to show you the output for this one, okay, here is not a function, writable.html, something async of this one, constant writer. What is this happening here? Let's try to see it here. I have written correctly on, right? Okay. So is there anything, that other thing which I have written it here? Let's try to see it again. Yeah, here you are able to see the same output. So here writing stream start, writing chunk hello, world and stream has been closed. So we'll be able to see the output this one. So let's try to see another more real scenario. So pretending that we are sending a JSON data to a server or saving it somewhere. So for this one, what I will be trying to do it is, so here the same thing, what I would be trying to do it is, so here I am having a writable stream, right? So here this one I will convert it into a JSON stream, okay, and writable stream. So I will not use the start of controller and all those things. So okay, if you want to keep it, you can keep it. So we are having a write of chunk. So here what I would be trying to do it is constant JSON is equal to JSON dot stringify of chunk, and I will try to do the console.log sending JSON, and I will try to print the JSON. That's it. So this is the chunk which I will be trying to do, and here I will create the same thing, but here this time I will try to write it in this scenario. So I am creating a JSON writer which is nothing but here JSON writer, okay, and getWriter. So here I am sending one by one, and I am stringifying this one all. So if you try to see the output for this one, let's try to see the same output. See the same output, we are able to see it like this. So here we are taking an object, turning into JSON and logging it. In real world use cases, this is where you would send a network request and write it to a file stream using something like fetch or response or something like that. So that is how you will be trying to do it. In the same scenario, so same thing. So you will be having like this, the same thing only. So you can do whatever the things you want to do, you can do it. So like this you will be having. So now for example, let's say that you are consoling and all those things, right? So let's say that we are having a chunk of data, okay. Let's say that here I will be trying to have the same thing. Let's say that we are having a chunk of data, okay. I am having chunk 1, chunk 2, chunk 3. Let's say that we are having this one as a writable stream, okay, and here no, and just I will be trying to do only the chunk, okay, and here we are having a chunk, and I am looping over one by one chunk, and I am sending these all the things, and at the last I am closing this chunk. Now if you try to see the output for this one, see sending JSON chunk 1, chunk 2, chunk 3 and stream closed. So in the future, browsers APIs like fetch also might let you stream to a request body directly using the writable streams. Some environments like Dino already supports this one. So alright guys, let's recap this one. So writable web streams let you write data chunk by chunk. You define how to handle each chunk in the write method. Writers give you a control over when and how to send the data. Super useful for large streaming data. No need to wait for everything at once. And that's it guys, that is how the writable web streams work. If this helped you understand it better, smash that like button and consider subscribing for more dev friendly videos like this one. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I will answer them. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.